Hello everyone, welcome to Bright School. In this video, we will learn about food chapter from class 6th. So, food, where does it come from? Have you ever wondered where your food comes from? Does rice come from a factory? Does milk grow on trees? So, let's learn about all these things. Today we will discover the sources of our food. So, food is the energy engine. We need food. If we don't eat food, what will happen? The food is an engine for our body. Food is not just something we eat, it is a fuel for the power to our body. Every movement, growth, support, this all comes from food. It depends on the food. Energy, which come from food. Thinking, running, this all things are depends on the food. And our growth is muscle growth, bones, all growths are depend on the food we eat. Our health, our illness, our health is also depend on our food. The two great sources. What are the sources? We have plants and animals. Every single thing you eat that contains carb. Okay, so everything that we eat is come from two origin, plant or animal. Only two sources are there. It may be easy for us to guess the sources of some of the ingredients that we eat in every day, like fruits, vegetables. Where do they come from? Plants, of course. So, what are the sources of rice or wheat? Rice or wheat, you may have seen paddy or wheat fields with rows and rows of plants which give us these grains. Okay, which give us these grains like wheat and rice, jawar, these all come from plants. And there are food items like milk, egg, meat, which come from animals. So let's see in plants. Plants more than just leaves, not only leaves. We eat their roots, their stem, as well as food, fruits, seeds, grains. Okay, different part of plant we eat of different plants. Like roots means beetroot, ginger, carrot, these all are roots. And stem, sugarcane, a sweet juice stem we chew, that is a stem. And in leaves, we have many leafy vegetables like methi, spinach, lettuce, cabbage, packed with full of vitamins. And next, fruit and seeds. You all know what are the seeds, grains like wheat, rice, corn, oats. These all are the important food sources we all use in our daily life. We have different edible parts of plants like flower, fruit, stem, leaf, node, internode, bud. These are the shoot system. And next in ground part, primary root, secondary root. These are the root system. In upper of the earth, these are the shoot system, and in down, root system. Plant are one sources of our food. We eat many leaves, vegetables. We eat fruits, some of plants, sometimes roots, sometimes stems. We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruit of some plants, sometimes roots, sometimes stem, and even flowers. Some plants have one or more edible parts. Seeds of mustard plant give us oil, and the leaves are used as a vegetable. To make one atom of a food, we need many ingredients. Others, like if we need to make a brinjal curry, so we need first of all brinjal, chili as a spices, other food, and oil from groundnut, mustard, soybean, any other plants. Next, surprising food facts. Tomato are berries. Tomato and avocado are classified as berries. They have seed inside a fleshy fruit. Okay, pistachio are fruits, a hard shell surrounding the seed like peaches and cherries. Not all plants are safe. Some plants are poisonous and unsafe to eat. Always check before consuming wild plants. So sprouting, you have eaten these sprouting seeds? Yes, of course. So how does sprouting done? Through science. Let's see. A tiny seeds, huge potential. Tiny seed holds everything needed to grow into a full plant. Seeds can do more. They can become superfoods through sprouting. Sprouting is a superfood. Take some dry seeds of moong or chana. The process of sprouting. Okay. First of all, take some dry seeds like of mung and chana. Put a small quantity of seed in a container filled with a water and leave these aside for a day. Soak it. Okay. And next day, drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel. Wrap them with a piece of wet cloth and set aside. A following day, you do observe any changes in the seeds. Yes, germination process is running through it. A small white structure may have grown out of the seed. The seed have sprouted. That white structure is called sprouting. Sprouted. If not, wash the seeds in the water, drain the water and leave them aside for another day. If the sprouting is not done, then leave it for another day with one more wash. Convert with a wet cloth. So the next day, see if the seeds have sprouted or not. After washing these sprouted seeds, you can eat them. These sprouted seeds are rich in minerals, protein, vitamins, powerhouses of nutrition. Eat them after wash. They can also be boiled and some spices and get a tasty snack to eat. I hope you all know about what is the sprouting of seeds. Next, honey. Honey comes from whom? Honeybee. You all know. Where honey comes from? How it is produced? How honeybee produce it? Have you seen a beehive where so many bees keep buzzing about? Bees collect nectar. Honey is one of the nature's most markable creation. Thousand flowers the honeybee visit to make their beehive. First of all, they collect the nectar, means sweet juice from flowers, and convert it into honey. Store the nectar in crop, a special stomach in their body. Okay, they store the nectar in their body, and the nectar is only available for some part of the year. So bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. When we find such a beehive, we collect the food stored by the bees as honey, and that how it converts in a honey. The enzyme transfer nectar into thick sweet honey stored in their hive. When we find such a beehive to eat, so next source of food is our animals. Not all animals eat the same food. What do animals eat? Do you have noticed your pet that you take care of, like a dog, a cat, or a buffalo, or a goat? What they eat? Yes, some eat grass, some eat the food that we eat, and some eat insects. You know these pet animals, what they eat. But what about the other animals? Have you observed the squirrel, pigeon, lizard, or a small insect maybe eating as their food? What the small insects eat? Make your own list of the animals what they eat, like buffalo, cat, rat, lion, tiger, crow, butterfly, human being, cow, and others. Okay, in animals we have three types. First one, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Herbivores क्या है? Eat plants which eat only plants, जो सिर्फ plants खाते हैं, like cows, deer, and rabbit, goat. These are the herbivores. Okay, and next carnivores. Carnivores means which eat animals, जो सिर्फ animals को ही खाते हैं, like lion, tiger, eagle. These are the carnivores. These animals eat only animals. Omnivorous, which animals eat both, like plant and animals. Yes, we human eat both plant and animals. And deer, crows, these are the omnivorous. Remember, humans are omnivorous. Our teeth and digestive system are digest to handle the plant as well as animal. Think before you eat. Every bite of food has a story, from the soil, the sunlight, the farmer, and the animal, all the way to your plate. So respect your food. Understand the efforts of nature. behind your daily nutrition. Food waste is a global problem. Don't waste your food. Stay curious. Ask where your food comes from. Which food you eat. First ask where your food comes from and think about the process that involved in your food. Science helps us make better choice every day. Eat wisely. A balanced diet from plant and animals keep us healthy, strong and ready to learn. Animals and plants both provide us protein, mineral and benefit to our body to grow healthy and stay strong and learn good things. Thank you. Like this video and don't forget to press the subscribe button to get more educational videos on our channel and share with your friends. Hello everyone. Welcome to